What is this? This way you can see it before you buy it. Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com talking about American bass, and we're doing an unboxing with actually some that caught my attention for $179.95, 6.2-inch touchscreen with a ton of features and some extras we're going to look at. Hey, leave a comment. You can always do another one at the end of the video. Hit that like button right now, which really helps the video take off, and share this out. And then no matter where you're watching, YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime. And if you're seen on any of the social medias, hit the like or follow. I appreciate it. We're talking about the AB 6.2 RCP from American Bass. Now, American Bass is just that type of product that people love. It sells like crazy and they beat the living piss out of it. But that's what I wanted to see. $179 also includes a backup camera. Inexpensive, but who cares? And when I was looking at the specs, 1080 HD. The other thing I noticed, it has a front input and rear input for camera, which you don't have to use front and rear, but if you have a truck and you want to do a tailgate and a hitch, really cool. But you get one camera with it. And if I'm correct, which we're gonna affirm this, I believe it's got Android and Apple CarPlay, right? And then you also have that MH whatever, I get that screwed up, but it's basically mirroring of your phone. So, all right, let's start here. FM AM, all right, digital touch LCD, 800 by 480, mirror link, iPhone and Android, hands-free with phone book function, A2DP playback, frontal microphone, but you also get an extra mic, which is really cool. Let me explain why. Depending on your vehicle and how things are set up, when you have an inexpensive unit that just has a mic on the front, it might not work all the time, or the air conditioning might blow over. Multiple reasons not good. When you can run a separate mic, you can put it in a position that works really good with less feedback and less noise. So I really dig that. As for the camera, I'm not going to expect it being anything super cool, but you get a very small, simple camera, and you get the wires for it. So that's just a cool add-on, especially for being $179. Then I noticed it even comes with a bit circular bit, which is basically a hole saw, where you can actually flush mount this in your bumper. I mean, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Hold on, let's go back to the specs. USB plug, SD, MMC card, aux in, subwoofer output, rear camera input, auxiliary RCA audio and video, DSP 16 bands, built-in and 3.5 meter external microphone we talked about, and it has a remote, which most units don't even come with that anymore. A lot of people don't use it, some do, especially if you're a bass head and you're demoing. It's like a little mini TV remote. I actually like this because the little thin ones suck.
That's what she said.
You lose them between the seats. This is actually a full-size remote.
Good size, right?
Very good size, yes.
I'm digging this. You know, Bob at American Bass, we've had our ups and downs, but one of the brands I've been selling since I almost got out of my house into my first spot. And we're going strong with Bob. In fact, this video is being shot March 22nd. March 31st, we're actually getting Bob and his son Gerwin on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast on Monday night. So depending on when you watch this video, check out for the podcast. A lot of people don't even know who Bob is. Bob is my ghetto Indian. He is full Indian, turban and all, and that guy is from the hood and has been in cardio for 30 plus years. And I'll tell you what, every time we talk, he puts a smile on my face because that is just one of those cool cats, man. So big shout out to Bob, who has supported me in multiple things. even through our ups and downs. Okay, let's get into this now that I'm done with my man crush or my turban crush. Okay, now this is something weird. Plugged in the back is a Wi-Fi adapter.
Ooh, Wi-Fi.
We're gonna get more on that because I'm actually gonna hook this up. That was not listed and that was unexpected. So why would it have a Wi-Fi adapter? We're gonna find out why. But that was in the USB on the back. Then we also have an antenna, the mic input, and then this is cool. Sub output, rear output. Let's see here. Sub, rear, nope, sorry, no. All right, I'll take this back. You have a sub output and a left and right output, so it's not front and rear. But that's fine because most people are using EQs, crossovers, etc. And not a lot of people do that front and rear thing. But even so, we're saying $179. But then you have a video out. You have an auxiliary line in RCA. You have front cam, rear cam, and a video in. That's a lot of options, and we're gonna get this because I was caught off guard with that. So, no CD player, probably what helps, but who's really running CDs? But I do have an SD on the front. I have some nice flat buttons. Some people like those, some don't because they do wear out, but with the remote, I don't care. You have an auxiliary from the front and also a USB. And yes, it's only a 6.2 screen, but again, I go back to the $179.95. We have these on our site at bigjeffaudio.com. The model number is AB-6.2R-CP. But if you start typing AB-6.2, it will pop up. And hopefully, Benjamin, my video guy, is putting all that up in the background, which makes things kind of cool. So you have a fusing there. We have two harnesses. One looks like the speaker harness, and obviously the one is power ground, and definitely a parking brake, probably to bypass video. We do have a manual. Now, the other thing was, it's stated it was an MP5, which don't really use that much, but I looked it up. An MP5 is a audio video format, which is kind of cool. So if you have a converter and you wanted to watch videos, you could convert it to an MP5. And we just looked that up. All right, so remote we talked about. Radio operation, got that. Main interface, phone link, SD setup, radio. We're gonna power this up. It does have, and again, for that price, anything that has CarPlay and Android Auto, you're gonna be spending over 200 bucks. So for something that's 179, that's a killer deal. It's actually pretty informative manual. Most of them don't even have all this. Setting up your phone book, making calls. Different icons. Ooh, what is this? Oh, for Android wired. Okay. That is probably where some of the money is saved. Means it's not wireless Android Auto wired, which means you gotta have your phone plugged in. But the good thing about that is it will charge your phone at the same time. AutoLink supports Android phone connect to the head unit via USB cable. Okay. There's a lot of units that don't do wireless. They just don't tell you, and then when you get it, you find out. But again, 179. Mirror link though, which is cool. Oh, here we go. Icon to enter into AirPlay iPhone Wi-Fi connection mode. So I'm gonna guess what that's for. Is for AirPlay wirelessly on the iPhone. So what I'm getting out of this, and just from my stupid background of doing this stuff,
you know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
Looks like Android will need to be plugged in for the Android Auto, but you could do a AirPlay wirelessly, and it even shows here, open the phone, WLAN, connect Wi-Fi name, and then there's a password. So that makes sense why it came with a Wi-Fi adapter. Kind of cool. Again, go back to the price of $179. Ben, put that up real big. I want everybody to know, for a inexpensive double din with a lot of features, one hell of a price. Okay, so really informative manual. Most of those don't even happen anymore. I'm gonna hook this up, and that means if I'm hooking something up and it's not like a speaker or that, or a simple amp, that if I'm cutting wires, I'm probably gonna end up giving this away. So we'll see what happens. Listen, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Hit that like button, man. It really helps out. Leave a comment right now. It doesn't cost you a dime. And I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna hook this up to see what this American bass head double din is all about. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. So probably show that real quick. I just hooked up basics to get this thing going. So we're gonna supply power. I can clip it on. Let me just do it the right way. Okay, so let's see. There it goes. American bass. Okay, so AM, FM. Let me hit USB. So I have. So you have a sub output and another RC output.
Big Jeff Audio, yeah, we shake the whole town. And I'm song blast, got that B2 heat. When the bass line drop, man, it knock you off your feet. Wires tight, power right, voltage never low. When we crank it past the limit, watch them decibels grow. We ain't playing with the volume, we just bring that thunder. Every ride sound massive, make the whole block.
Oh, even gives you the line. So I just put on rear cam. There is a reverse input, and you can do that, or you can go directly to the camera. If you notice, it's got lines too. This actually works really good. It's smooth operation. Playing the USB. There's for your Bluetooth. I mean, this thing doesn't stick up at all. Show me no device. So phone link, there's your Android. Okay, oh, hold on, take this back. With that Wi-Fi, you have Android wired, Android wireless, and then you have your CarPlay wired, iPhone wired, iPhone wireless with your AirPlay. That is a lot of features. Setup. Here, logo. Oh, you can even change the logo. Oh, look at that. You got your vehicles in here. It's got American bass, so that tells me I can preload something else too. Alright. Go back to setup. And you can see it's working really good. Here. There you have kind of like an EQ, but you can adjust time alignment, color change, year, month, and day. Oh, you can load pictures. What's this? Please hold. Oh, wireless. Steering wheel control. So if you have, you can do an adapter, and this one here will help you press and hold SWC key for programming. That's really cool. Front buttons work really good. I mean, overall, for $179, I don't know what the RCA voltage output is, but it was moving stuff pretty good here, so I got to think it's at least 2 volts or higher. This is a pretty cool radio. So you have your mic on the front, then you get an external mic that you can plug in. You have auxiliary, SD card, USB, Bluetooth, which you can do music from your phone and obviously make calls. And you can see how easy it is I'm touching this thing. Really cool. So for $179, I'm blown away. Go Bob. All right, let me disconnect this, bring it over. We're gonna wrap this up. I'll be right back. I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. Okay, pros and cons, right? Here we are. Okay, one, ton of features. Worked really good because I've had some cheap units that are just pain in the butt touching. Camera even had lines on it. I mean, just overall, you're getting way more than I even thought. And for this many features and options, you know, this is something that would be in the $350 range or higher, especially with Android and mirror and iPhone. So that thing's in there pretty good. The other thing you even notice, and a lot of you don't because you don't deal with this stuff, there we go. Most of the double-ins don't even come with that cage anymore. Like, you got to get it from somewhere else. So it comes with everything. Comes with the screws, comes with a full remote, which we didn't play with. So like I said, I didn't want to totally use this thing up. Comes even with a Wi-Fi adapter. So I mean, when you started it all up, it's a great price. Is the camera no, it's, you know, it's a TFT, probably 400 or 300 line resolution. But for a backup camera, it comes with it great. But you can add one on because you have two inputs anyway, or change the sound. I like the screen. I mean, I liked it all the way around. I should have measured the RCA voltage, but who really cares?
Who cares?
It's definitely over 2 because it turned everything on very quickly. You can tell on the sound, especially with RCA. So for $179.95, this is the American-based 6.2R-CP, 6.2 touchscreen with a ton of options, under 200 bucks, branded with the American base. And I'll tell you what, I do not think you would be unhappy at all. You even get the hole saw for your camera to flush mount it. I mean, you get the extra microphone or the microphone on the front, just a ton of stuff that I would never expect to come with a unit under 200 bucks. So we have them in stock, check them out. I don't think Bob wants to get in the radio or doubled-in thing. I think where after COVID, he got into it, they were a lot more popular then, but I think this is gonna be one of those deals. Now, who knows? I mean, might take off and then you might get into that. I don't know, but right now we have these. There's just one model, and for $279, if you have room for a doubled-in your application, this is it. Specs-wise, it did have time delay, which is cool. For you that don't know, moving on the screen, adjust how in, like, I don't know, it's not even milliseconds, it's something else, but you could delay the time each speaker, which then makes the imaging, you can really adjust your imaging and staging, or if you want it to be more directed to you in the driver's seat or the passenger seat or dead center. So that was a cool option. It had basic EQ and crossover settings. It had the phone link. It just had way more than I thought it was going to have for $179. And I keep saying the price because you kind of don't get that anymore unless it's a, I don't want to say a Chinese, because they're all Chinese, but non-branded without all the extras for sure. So here it is. I'm boxing the back up. Who knows? If the video does well, maybe I'll give this away. So that's more incentive for you to comment, like, and share, because if the video does well, somebody's blowing up my phone you can hear in the background, which is just a pain. But if the video does well, I'll come back on and I will do this unit right here as a giveaway. So that's the incentive to like, comment, and share. Listen, I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com, representing American Base here with their 6.2 fully loaded doubled-in. Really cool. Check it out. Go to our website, BigJeffAudio.com. Just type in AB-6.2. It'll come right up, but there'll be a link here, or QR code or something that can take you right to the product. We have them in stock. They'll ship out. Right now, at the time of this video, it is still a few dollars cheaper because of tax time. So depending when the video comes out, jump on it. But if not, I mean, you're talking about $179. You can't go wrong. And I really enjoyed it. Very simple install, very simple operation. I didn't even get that deep in it. So I'll see you on the next one. Make this video do good. I'll give this unit away.
I'll do it! I'll do it!
I'm Big Jeff from BigJeffAudio.com. I'm out.